Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to send shipping updates for a logistics company. So as a owner of a logistics company, I receive a lot of queries regarding shipment on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot by using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow, and then whenever a user is going to send a message, then automatically WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply to that message. So now here, if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automate shipping updates using a WhatsApp chatbot. It's a great way to keep customers informed in real time and reduce the workload on your support team. So as you all know that as someone running a logistics company, I deal with constant customer inquiries asking about their shipment status. Now manually updating each customer takes a lot of time and often leads to delays or missed messages. So to solve this, I've built a WhatsApp chatbot that automatically sends real-time shipping updates as soon as a package is dispatched, in transit or delivered. This not only keeps my customers informed and satisfied but also reduces the load on my support team. It's a simple and efficient way to improve communication and build trust with my clients. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created to send shipping updates for a logistics company using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp number. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop a text over here such as, hey, I want to track my order. And here you can see we have received a text as, hi there, welcome to Swift Logic Shipping. I'm your shipment assistant. Choose what you'd like to do. And here you can see the quick replies button that we have received such as track shipment, FAQs and talk to agent. So let's click on this track shipment and it says please choose your shipment status. So I'm going to select the status as dispatched and it says your package has been dispatched from our facility. You will receive live tracking updates soon. And then we have received the quick reply button as back to main menu. And then we are back to the main message. And then let's click on this FAQs. And here we have received some common questions that usually the customers ask, that is delivery time, tracking ID and need invoice. So let's click on this back to main menu. And then lastly click on this talk to agent and it says connecting you with a support team. Please wait while we assign an agent. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chat Flow. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's homepage and here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. So if you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps went away. You can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow and here you might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chat Flow. So let me give a brief about it. Pabbly Chat Flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chat Flow and now here if you wish to learn that how you can connect your Pabbly Chat Flow account, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. And now firstly in this video I'm going to give a brief that how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. So now here to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account, you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner and then you will be able to see an option of WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here and here if you wish to learn that how you can use this particular method to connect your WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chat Flow account, then you can simply check out the video link available in the description box below. And here if you select the manual token connect, here it is going to ask for the Meta Access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta for developers. And once you're going to set up that account, then automatically you're going to get all these details and after adding the details over here, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about the WhatsApp number, how to add the WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chartflow account. And now here you can see that Pabbly Chartflow offers some amazing features available in the left side bar. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. So let me give an overview of each feature available over here. So let's start with Inbox. So by using this particular feature, you can see the entire WhatsApp charts of your WhatsApp number at one place. Then comes the Contacts. So by using this particular feature, you can create or manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the Team Queue. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each of the team member over here. Then comes the Templates. So by using this particular feature, you can create or manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the Broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the Flows. So by using this particular feature, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI Assistant. So by using this feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the Settings, and here under Settings, you can see some more important features. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the Get Help option. So by using this particular option, you can get a response to all your queries regarding Pabbly Chartflow. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chartflow, and now here we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, and for that we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chartflow that are flows. And now here in this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've already created using Pabbly Chartflow. And here we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, and for that we are going to create a new flow by clicking on this Add Flow button given on the top right corner. And now here in this flow window, I'm going to give a name to my flow first, that is WhatsApp chatbot to send shipping updates for a logistics company. And now after giving a name to my flow over here, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see that you can set up the flow start as keywords, regex and template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library. And if you want to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through keywords or regex, then you can do it accordingly. So here let's suppose that if you wish to choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So let's suppose we are going to add a basic keyword over here such as hey, and for that we are going to type the keyword first, and then we are going to press and enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so with this we have successfully added a keyword over here, and now whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, tell me about my product shipping, while another might write, I want to track my shipping. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now after setting a flow start for my WhatsApp chatbot, I am going to add a text box over here. That means if my customer is going to send any of the message to my WhatsApp chatbot, then I want to send a hello or welcome message to my customer, and for that I have added a text box over here, and then I'm going to add a text over here as hi there, welcome to Swift Logics Shipping. I'm your shipment assistant, choose what you'd like to do. So this is a common hello or welcome message, and then I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with this text box to give some valid options to my customer. And here I'm going to enter the text as track shipment, FAQs and talk to agent. And now after adding all these quick replies button, we are going to further set up this WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button. So let's start with track shipment. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as please choose your shipment status. And now after adding the text over here, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as dispatched, in transit and delivered. And now after adding this quick replies button, whenever my user is going to select any of the quick reply button, then we are going to set a text box for each of the quick reply button as well over here. So let's start with dispatch. So if my customer is going to select dispatch, then automatically I want to add a text over here for the same, where I'm going to enter the text as your package has been dispatched from our facility. You will receive live tracking updates soon. So this is a very basic message that I've added for the dispatched quick reply button, and then I'm going to add a quick reply button over here with the text as back to main menu. And with this, we have successfully completed the text box for the dispatched quick reply button. And then similarly, I'm going to add the text box for each of the quick reply button as well. So let me add the text boxes. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added all the text boxes over here for each of the quick reply button with the quick replies button as back to main menu. So now I'm going to connect all these back to menu quick replies button to the main message box. And with this, we have successfully set up the chat bot for these quick replies button. Let's move back to the main message box, and here we are going to move forward with the second quick reply button that we have added over here, that is of FAQs. So I'm going to add a text box over here for the same, and here I'm going to enter the text as. So here I've added some common questions that we usually get, that are delivery time, tracking ID not working, and need invoice. And also I've added some answers for these questions. So with this, we have successfully added the text box over here, and then I'm going to add a single quick reply button over here, and here I'm going to add the text as back to main menu, and then I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the main message box. Alright, so with this, we have successfully added this message box as well, and then let's move to the last quick reply button that we are left is for talk to agent. So I'm going to add a text box over here for the same, and here I'm going to enter the text as connecting you with our support team, please wait while we assign an agent. So here I've successfully added a text box over here, and then I'm going to add a quick reply button with the text tags back to main menu, and then again I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the main message box. And with this, we have successfully set up this entire WhatsApp chatbot for sending shipping updates for a logistics company. So this is a very short and simple chatbot that I've created over here to give an idea to you for creating a WhatsApp chatbot using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to creating a complete WhatsApp chatbot, what we are going to do is that we are going to save this chatbot created by clicking on the save button given over here. And you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved our flow. So now here to creating the WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot by sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. So let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp, and now here I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. And let's suppose that again I'm a customer, and I'm going to drop a text over here as, hey, how can I track my order? And it says, hi there, welcome to Swift Logic Shipping. I'm your shipment assistant. Choose what you'd like to do. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully received a message over here, and now further you can see the working of the chatbot by clicking on this any of the quick reply button. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we have already created. And now here let me show you the amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offers is of inbox. So we are going to access the inbox given in the left side bar, and here in the inbox you can see the entire WhatsApp chat between your customer and your WhatsApp chatbot, and also you can see the status of the messages sent, delivered and read. And not only this, you can also see the details of your customers available in the right side panel. Alright, so this was all about inbox. Let's move back to the flows, and now here let me summarize the amazing chatbot that we have already created. So here we have selected a trigger for the WhatsApp chatbot as keywords and the regex, and then we have added a hello or a welcome message for our customer with the quick reply button as track shipment, FAQs and talk to agent. And then further we have set up the chatbot for each of the quick reply button with some more quick replies buttons, such as to select the shipment status and the back to menu. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we have already created. And now here, if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can visit forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now, if you want to create some amazing chatbots, then you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. Thanks for watching.